Hello everyone, it is Linda Sims of Let's Mess It Up Soul Line Dancing of New Orleans, Louisiana, and I am here to present the line dance, I.F.E. Easy Access. The song is Too Many Women. The artist is ADETUNJI, and the choreography is JESSKA and PEEJAY. If you are someone you know is interested in cardio line dancing classes in the New Orleans area, please call 504-251-0674. As a friendly reminder, this is the demo. If you're interested in the step-by-step instruction, I'll post mine at the end, and also check out the choreographer. And here we go. And this song is an extended version, okay? The one that you see on YouTube is just the original song, but this one here was extended. All right. And there you go, I.F.E. Easy Access. My name is Linda Sims. I am the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.